front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high refresh rate. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on display. Then click on high refresh rate over here and operate this switcher next to use high refresh rate to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!